Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for December 1 to 15, 2025. Ayan. So paalala lang, reading na to ay general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaari hindi. Just take what resonates. And also another reminder, ito lang po yung aking account ha, yung username na at Mystic Queen PH. Kasi may mga nagre-re-upload ng aking videos sa iba't ibang platforms. Baka ma-scam kayo. So, dito lang kayo sa original. May mga nagnanakaw ng videos natin eh. So, let's begin. Ano yung update for you, Aries? December 1 to 15. December 1 to 15. December 1 to 15 for Aries. Okay. Overall energy, the Six of Pentacles. Your challenge is the Three of Swords. Opportunity, Temperance. Blessing, Ace of Pentacles. Oh, okay. That's nice. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Wands. So, merong decision making happening sa first half ng December. This can be decision for your career, for your business, for your relationship. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung iba kung anong specific area of their life yan. Okay, the third house. This is about your studies, your learning. So, pwedeng ikaw ay magbabalak na mag-aral, pwedeng online, personal research mo, pwede rin sa school talaga, no? Sa institution. This can also mean a decision with a friend, a connection, even sa sibling, no? Maaring meron kang kapatid na meron kayong kailangan pag-desisyonan together. Okay, you have the Chariot. Uy, this is willpower, movement. So this is also success. Something successful is going to happen. Something na sinisimulan mo, no? Ano tong sinisimulan ng mga Aries? 11th house, this can be your online presence. Pwede ikaw magsa-start kang mag-create ng contents online, or may business ka online, or you are creating something. Pwede kasi itong meron kang energy of being an inventor, no? Isang creator. Ayan. Galing to sa matinding pag-iisip. Yung tipong you are choosing anong path yung tatahakin mo. But ngayong first half ng December 1 to 15, merong new mo, no? May new beginnings for you. Ito yung magtutuloy-tuloy, no? Mabilis ang nito, pag-unlad, pag-arangkada, the moment na ikaw ay makapag-desisyon na talaga. So, napaka-importante yung decision making mo. Although marami tong mga, maraming obligasyon, maraming responsibilities, pero kayang-kaya mo yan. Oo, you've been waiting for this opportunity, so go for it. Why not, diba? Overall energy nyo is the Six of Pentacles, which is about sharing, giving, and taking, compromise. So, maaring meron kang tutulungan, or it can be a reverse na ikaw yung tutulungan. So, kung ano man yung needs mo, especially finances, resources, makukuha mo yan. Meron lang ditong challenging challenging situation naging astrology. The Three of Swords is about pain. This is about separation, disappointment. What area of life is this? The third house. Okay. Kaya siguro may decision making kang gagawin related sa school, sa friendship, or sa kapatid, is because merong something painful that you might experience, no? With in that area of your life. Pay attention rin sa health mo, Your opportunity. May Eight of Swords lumabas dito. So, this is about limitations. I feel like meron kasi kayong kailangan kausapin, no? Ngayong December, first half ng December, na iniiwasan yung kausapin. Can be someone that is close to you, a friend, kapatid, kapitbahay, or a relative, no? Kamag-anak, na hindi nyo kinakausap. So, I think ngayong first half ng December, you will finally decide to, talk about it kausapin tong taong to. Now, your opportunity is temperance. Temperance is about enlightenment, ayan, no? And also, patience. Meron kang opportunity na magkaroon ng lakas, ng loob, at courage, pasensya, no? Para sa paghihintay. Ano tong hinihintay mo? Alam mo, ang laki ng laki ng focus sa third house ninyo, no? Third house is about communication. Very important yung communication for you ngayong first half ng December. Yung connection mo, network, yung mga connection mo, napaka-importante niyan. Yan yung magdidikta ng simula or ng bagong path na tatahakin mo. The Ace of Pentacles is your blessing. So definitely there is a new beginning in terms of your career. Can be a business opportunity, bagong trabaho, bagong source of income. Yung iba pwedeng makakatanggap kayo ng unexpected na pera. Oo. So let's see energy ng, speaking of pera. Money, career, finances for Aries ngayong first half ng December. The Hanged Man. Uy, this is about sacrifices. Okay, ano pa? Oh, okay. That makes sense. So, merong pause tapos may may movement. So, I feel like pagdating sa pera ninyo, kung nagkaroon kayo ng challenges in the past, no, sa pera, sa trabaho nyo, career ninyo, ito uusad na siya, no? Uusad na ng first half ng December. Kung feeling stuck ka, uusad na yan ngayong December. You will feel good, you will feel better, mas magiging inspired ka to take action. And then, love life. Oh, Four of Swords. Oh, maaring yung ano ninyo dito, challenges ninyo sa relationship. Although you are in the process now of recovery, nag-heal ka na from your situation. The Moon. Oh. The Moon is your emotions. Maari kasing may mga mataas yung expectations mo sa relationship. And ang nangyari is nagkaroon ng disappointment. Merong ka ina-expect sa person mo na hindi mo nakuha or hindi niya naibigay. So that is a disappointment for you. And maaring ikaw ay, magde-decide ka whether you still want to stay in this relationship o hindi na. Diba? Let's see what else. I feel like meron kasing revelation dito. Merong marireveal na katotohanan about your relationship or about your partner. Rites of passage, this is transformation. So things are going to transform for your money, career, finances, pwede rin sa relationship. And part na yan ng pagsisimula ninyo sa career, trabaho, and even sa relationship can be a new life, a fresh start. Something that will bring you joy, happiness, at least, di ba, yung pagbabago na yon ay magbibigay sa'yo ng kasiyahan. Oo, hindi ng sama ng loob. Let's see, ano pa, for Aries. For Aries ngayong first half ng December. Person of fire, this is your energy. Very confident, visionary. Marami kang ideas ngayon na maaring i-work out mo. Yeah, like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, very creative, strong-willed, malakas ang loob. And meron ding entrepreneurial skills. So, maaring iba sa inyo magne-negosyo, may bagong source of income. Kayo ay i-recognize. Oo, kayo ay may achievement. Pwede kayong i-recognize sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, and whatever you are doing. Now, your instinct, your intuition is going to be very strong ngayong first half ng December na makakatulong yan sa decision making ninyo. So, tap into your instinct, your intuition, dahil yan ang gabay ninyo para mapunta kayo dun sa landas or sa purpose na talagang para sa inyo. Okay, for the final message, Hanging Parrot, gain knowledge by surrendering to the universal flow. O, diba ito yung sabi ko sa inyo na maaring mag-aaral kayo, pwedeng sarili nyong research to, or sa school, or kahit anong bagong kaalaman, no, na tutulong sa'yo para mas mapaunlad mo yung sarili mo at ma-achieve mo yung mga pangarap mo. you are going to surrender to the universal flow. Kumbaga, kung saan ka dadalhin nitong knowledge na to, kaalaman na to, itong skills na to. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.